Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Investment Ideas. In this video, we are going to talk about a pharmaceutical company which is India based, and this COVID situation has given a big push for this company and its revenue is blasting like anything because this company manufactures two important medicines which is quintessential for the corona patients. The one is Montelukast sodium, and also this company got orders to manufacture Sputnik V vaccine directly from the RDIF. So before jumping into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notified on all my future videos. I'm doing a series of such mega multi-bagger stocks with huge business potential, market capitalization, promoter holdings and everything, which will turn into a potential multi-bagger in a matter of next 5 to 10 years. So please subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified on all my future videos as well. Without any further delay, let us jump into the video. So as I said, this company involves in the manufacturing of tablets and COVID vaccine Sputnik. So the important medicine the company manufactures is Montelukast sodium. Montelukast sodium is used to treat the asthma patients and COVID patients as well. Basically the one with breathing troubles are being treated with the Montelukast sodium. You can very well check with your physician about this medicine, Montelukast sodium. The company which I'm talking about is the major producer of Montelukast sodium in India. Let us talk about the company's revenue here. In 2017, the company's revenue was only about 280 crores. But now in this year 2021, the revenue of the company is at 1188 crores. See the major push. See, even in 2020, the company's revenue was at around 853 crores. So the drastic growth, the gargantuan growth of this company has come when compared to that of 2017 at 280 crores and 1188 crores at 2021 is because of the COVID situation. The COVID situation has given a big push to this company. Its business is getting expanded like anything. This also got direct orders to manufacture the Sputnik COVID vaccine. So let us talk about the shareholding pattern of this company. So the company shareholding is at 34.54% is alone with the promoters, and the company's major shares are with the public, because before COVID situation the company's revenue was not that much and it was not at all in the glory, it was not at all in the glory. But now because of the COVID situation, the company has got a big boom and the company is growing like anything in terms of its revenue, and most of the company's shares are now held by the public, retail investors in India. Many big investors, big bulls are holding these stocks for a bigger returns. So as I said, the Montelukast sodium medicine is a prescribed medicine used for asthma prevention and for the treatment of allergy symptoms such as sneezing and running nose. It reduces inflammation in the airways and makes breathing easier. See, that is the main purpose why it is treated in the COVID patients. So this medicine can be taken with or without food, and the most benefited is in 2 hours. If this medicine is treated to the COVID patients, in 2 hours their breathing will come to normal. So this medicine is commonly treated for the COVID patients as well as for one with any breathing problem like bronchitis or pneumonia and all the breathing problems. The company which I'm talking about is none other than Morpen Laboratories. So let us talk about the company's net sales. Let's compare that with 2017 to 2021. So in March 2017, the net sales of the company was at around 583.90 crores, whereas in March 2018 it was at 606.51 crores. In 2019, 768 crores. In 2020, 853 crores, and in 2021 it is at 1188 crores. see the constant increase in the net sales of the company. So even though the promoter holdings are not that great in this company, but its revenue and its net sales are constantly increasing, and this stock is about to blast. And if you are ready to invest your 5,000 rupees in this company, as I said time and again, do not invest anything more than 5,000 rupees, the maximum slab I'm talking about. So invest anywhere between 1,000 to 5,000 rupees in this company for long term, and you certainly will end up in a multifold returns, my friends. The stock's target is a minimum of 3,000 rupees in a matter of next 10 years. So invest wisely, do your research. You see all the results, quarter on quarter results and year on year results for this company, and do your homework and invest in this company. So I am personally investing in this stock a maximum of 5,000 rupees for a matter of next 10 to 15 years, so as to get multi-bagger return. Thank you for watching my video. If you find my video is informational and educational, please subscribe to my channel, and welcome to Investment Ideas. Thank you.